former Union Health Minister Mrs. Panvolka Lakshmi. It was indeed a memorable moment when Shri Naveen Patnaik, Honorable Chief Minister of Orissa, inaugurated the new academic building and girls' hostel of KISS and extended his congratulations to Dr. Samanta for the success.
Dr. Achut Samant ko udyam aur nistha jagun aji ei sambhav hoi parichi.
KISS was also visited by Nobel laureate Professor Richard R. Ernst, Nobel laureate Professor Rolf M. Zinkernagel, Professor J. Martin Hunter, Professor H. Hing Gartner, Professor Rodney, Pennsylvania State University, Lord Charles Faulkner, former Lord Chancellor and Secretary of State for Justice, United Kingdom.
This is the first time I've come to India, and I've come only to one state in India, Orissa, and only one school. And the one school I have come to is this KISS school.
UN Coordinator of UNDP, Dr. Maxine Olsen.
For those students that we see here today are aimed at making the quality of life in this beautiful state better.
Country Representative of UNICEF India, Mr. Cecilio Adorna. Miss Beth A. Pine, Consul General, U.S. Consulate.
One day to see all of you with a college degree and a good job and helping your communities.
Miss Edna Bomo Moleva, Honorable Premier, Northwest Province, South Africa.
We really appreciate the work that Dr. Samant is doing here by taking care of you.
Mrs. D.N. Balatseng, Honorable Minister, Political Counselor and Deputy High Commissioner, South African High Commission. Mr. Balumena Kwena Francois, Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary, Democratic Republic of Congo. KISS was also visited by former Chief Justice of India and Chairman of United Nations Human Rights Committee, Honorable Justice P.N. Bhagwati, father of White Revolution, Padma Vibhushan Dr. Varghese Kurian, Dr. Ganesh Natarajan, Chairman NASSCOM, Mr. P. Muthuraman, Chief Managing Director of Tata Steel.
क्योंकि ऐसा जगह मैं कहीं पर नहीं देखा जो यहाँ काम हो रहा है, इतना बढ़िया से काम हो रहा है, ये ट्राइबल अपलिफ्ट के लिए जो काम हो रहा है, ऐसा काम सब जगह इंडिया में होना चाहिए.
Shri Arjit Pasayat, Senior Judge, Supreme Court of India. Mr. Naveen V. Chawla, Chief Election Commissioner of India. Admiral R.H. Tahiliani, President of Transparency International and former Naval Chief. Professor Sukhdev Thorat, Chairman UGC.
ये जो प्रयोग यहाँ सावंत जी ने किया है, मेरा ख्याल है इसकी तारीफ नहीं की जा सकती है, ये तारीफ के आगे है.
First Women IPS Officer and Social Activist Dr. Kiran Bedi. Professor Moolchand Sharma, Vice Chairman UGC and the CEO ICICI Bank. Noted social activist and Raman Magsaysay Award winner, Mrs. Mahashweta Devi.
This place should be freshly named as Bharat Tirtha.
Miss Shobha De, noted writer and media personality.
It was really my pleasure. I'm so happy we made the time and came.
Mr. Amitabh Ghosh, eminent writer and novelist.
What is the selection process? Only poverty. Because here it is totally free and we are taking care of their entire career.
Film personalities like film producer Mr. Boni Kapoor and his actress wife Shri Devi, Jimmy Shergill, Amrita Arora, Chunky Pandey, Deepthi Naval, film star and former Rajya Sabha member Mrs. Hema Malini have also visited KISS. Before leaving for 2007 World Cup, the Team India cricketers had also visited the school. Cricket legend Mr. Sunil Gavaskar, bronze medalist at Beijing's Olympics Mr. Sushil Kumar also visited KISS. The children have been fortunate to receive the blessings of the Shri Shri Divya Singh Dev Maharaj of Puri, His Holiness Shri Shri Ravi Shankar and Swami Ramdev Ji Maharaj. The institute is manned by some of the most experienced administrators, and the students are proved to be agents of development and reform. 3 boys and 2 girls of KISS marched a step higher by confirming a berth in the Commonwealth Game 2010. KISS has always been famous for rugby. The Jungle Crow rugby team of KISS made the entire nation proud by winning the Under-14 Rugby World Cup 2007 in London. They also represented the nation in Australia and South Africa. It has been realized that a pragmatic shift can be brought in any undertaking provided you remain committed to your ideas. In spite of his busy schedule, Dr. Samanta devotes quality time to KISS. He takes immense interest to interact with the students. He has also reserved seats for meritorious students of KISS in KIIT University for higher studies.
KIIT रे 5% सीट रिजर्वेशन रखाई केवल आदिवासी छुआ सेठी से माने इंजीनियरिंग डिप्लोमा ITI BBA BCA MBA MCA इवन डाक्तरी पढ़िया 5% सीट रखाई
10,000 students of KISS paid tribute to the unsung heroes who lost their lives in the Mumbai terror attack on 26 November 2008. They lit candles to expel the darkness of ignorance and terror. Poverty creates illiteracy, and literacy drives away poverty. This is evident from the KISS experiment that has created yet another Shantiniketan in our country. KISS has found a place in the Limca Book of Record as India's largest residential school for tribal children. Dr. Samanta also has a vision of turning the school into a tribal university and research institute where tribal children from all over India can pursue their higher education and research. The philanthropy and unstinting efforts of Dr. Samanta for the tribal children has made KISS a heaven on earth.